Hey guys, today I am in Ocala, Florida. I'm speaking here tomorrow, and I am at Silver Spring State Park doing some kayaking in their crystal clear water. I did an event down here this summer, and I saw this place and said, man, that looks awesome. And so I flew all night from California and got out here in time to do a little kayaking. So let's see what fun we get into. It is so peaceful out here. You can tell how clear the water is, but you can definitely see the bottom. Buddy. I did a 2-hour kayak rental. I could float out here for days. The wind blowing through, a little breeze, 71 degrees. Coming out of the Fort King paddle trail up into the Silver River. And when I see these lily pads, my first thought is always, oh, don't drive your jet ski over there. I've done more jet skiing than I have kayaking. And you get your jet ski in here, it fouls up your impeller and your intake grill. Over there. Oh, it's a manatee. fact, that was one of the coolest experiences of my life with those manatees. Wow, that was something. Heading back toward where I turned my kayak in. All right, guys, 2 hours of kayaking. That was super duper cool. I can't believe how cool that was. I'm so glad I did that. Seeing those manatees in the wild. I mean, maybe that's a common thing. Maybe you've all kayaked with manatees before. That's the first time for me. We didn't have manatees in Ohio, that's for sure. So another awesome day in an epic life. Got to get ready for my full day of leadership training tomorrow here in Ocala, and then flying back home to Cincinnati. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoy these. I have fun making them. So maybe somebody is watching them. I don't know. But have a great day. Have an epic life. See you next time.